I found this in some Texas Attorney General's opinions, and it reads: when a state agency attempts to interfere with the fundamental right of a parent to direct the upbringing of his or her child, it must, in order to do so, satisfy the constitutional standard of a compelling state interest. John Cornyn. Does anybody know who John Cornyn is? Well, he was the Attorney General for the state of Texas, but now he's on the federal level. So let me break this down and let me tell you why it's so important. First of all, a state agency. What's a state agency? You have police agencies, you have CPS, Health and Human Services, you have the Child Support Agency, right? And this is very interesting because when you read this, when a state agency attempts to interfere with your fundamental right of a parent to direct the upbringing of his or her child, it must. It must, which means it is mandatory. It is mandatory that in order to do so, they must satisfy the constitutional standard of a compelling state interest. What is a compelling state interest? Look it up. Use AI. Ask AI what it is and go down that rabbit hole. A lot of people believe that this compelling state interest is that they collect child support, and that's absolutely false. So that's why this passage is so important. And I know where it is. I have the whole opinion, and it's talking about a CPS case. When can CPS infringe on fundamental rights of a parent? And so this takes you down a whole bunch of rabbit holes. One, what's a state agency? Two, what are your fundamental rights? And three, what is the constitutional standard that must be met? And it's a compelling state interest. So anytime I post about a compelling state interest, just know this is where I'm going with it, okay? So find out, go do your research, go do your homework, okay? And find out what a compelling state interest is, and hopefully that will help you in your journey through your family court case here in the state of Texas. Thanks for listening.